Today on India TV, we are going to talk to choreographer Atul Jindal, who has managed to carve a niche for himself in the entertainment industry. He has choreographed many of the Bollywood stars such as Amitabh Bachchan, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Shah Rukh Khan, and many others. Now let's know from him how he has managed the two C's in the 2020, the choreography and the COVID. How choreographing was different with COVID norms, COVID era.
COVID was initially we started the song choreography in December and we were supposed to shoot in January or February, launch it in somewhere around mid March or something. But then the lockdown situation happened and it was very difficult क्योंकि कभी virtually हमने किसी artist को या गाने के लिए कभी training दी नहीं थी. But I think it's a process was so much fun. मतलब हमने भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को
It was a whole new experience for you.
Whole new experience because पता क्या वो एक तरीके से like even if this interview you'll see ना there is no you can talk but when you have to teach steps and you have to do the detailing right arm ऊपर left arm ऊपर वो थोड़ा मुश्किल था.
Right. And what new can be seen from Honey Singh as he is an exceptional dancer? So what new can you see? Can we expect?
Next song. Next song we have already shot with Honey Singh. It's called Saiya Ji. Basically every time we try and do something experimental with him. उनके साथ कुछ भी करो, कोई भी हुक स्टेप दो, कुछ भी नया ग्रूव उनको दो, he pulls it very nicely. So next में भी हमने और अच्छा ग्रूव ट्राई किया, और अच्छा हुक स्टेप ट्राई किया है. We don't want him to dance too much because sometimes less is more. गाने की डिमांड नहीं होती है. So
right.
तो इस बार next song में भी we are going little low and hooks से ही खेल रहे हैं, but soon we'll do like Blue Eyes full dancing number with him also.
Right. That's nice. Okay. And how did you manage your time during COVID? Like the industry was a little down and people were actually bored at home, so they were more into the TVs and all. But for you, it was all shut. So
Initially, being very honest, I was very motivated. I was like कि कभी ना अपने लिए बहुत कम टाइम मिलता है अपनी बॉडी ट्रेनिंग करने का, अपना डांस ट्रेनिंग करने का, खुद को बहुत कम टाइम मिलता है. तो इनिशियल फर्स्ट मंथ 1.5 month was super full out training, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेना और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अपने आप को सीखना और सिखाना दोनों स्टार्ट काफी चल रहा था. एंड देन आई वाज डूइंग रनिंग एंड जिमिंग एंड साइकिलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. बट वो 1.5 महीने के बाद मोटिवेशन सुपर डाउन हो गया बिकॉज मुझे लगा 1-2 महीने बाद खुल जाएगा, बट इट वाज अ पीरियड ऑफ लाइक 4-5 months. देन ऑनेस्टली I was not doing anything. Like I was just like watching Netflix and just yeah.
You completed all the dramas and flick in the Netflix?
I think almost yes. I am very I watched.
I guess everybody did that.
Everybody did the same thing, I guess.
Okay, and what the precautions were you taking while doing the choreography in this COVID era, COVID period?
We did all the precautions possible. Like हम लोगों का एक दिन पहले ही पूरे crew का, even makeup team and direction team, choreography team, even everything was tested for COVID just one day before the shoot. तो एक तो वो हुआ, और उसके बाद जो हमारा सेट पे था, everyone was wearing mask and we were sanitizing like every 5 seconds or 10 seconds. We have our separate bottles in hand. छोटा सबको bottles दे दिया था sanitizers का. Equipments were all cleaned properly. There were not too many people जिनका काम नहीं था. Generally set पे 100, 200, 300 लोग घूम रहे होते हैं, but इस बार बहुत कंट्रोल था. 40-50 लोग were on set, only जिनका काम था. So it was pretty safe. I felt like pretty safe to be there.
That's okay. That's nice. And what about your journey, your success?
It's a part of a life, you know. अभी मतलब I can't say it's a journey. It's still starting. I'm still like evolving. बहुत सारा काम अभी और करना है. अभी तो we have only done like a couple of like 10-12 songs ही हुए हैं in industry, and we are more into a lot of live shows and thing. But अभी बहुत कुछ करना है. अभी तो it's just a start of a journey.
Right. Where do you find yourself और 2-3 साल में?
Honestly, I want to focus. I have schools in Delhi and Bombay. Teaching is something that I really like. मतलब मेरा अगर आप real passion पूछोगे तो I love teaching dance to people who want to do dance professionally because I feel कि एक proper guideline, streamline जो dance institutions की है वो थोड़ा सा कम है इंडिया में. मतलब there are more hobby centers than professional dance institutes. They are very बहुत गिने चुने हैं. So my passion would be to like really uplift the dance in India और मतलब मैं एक वो education बांट सकूं and parallelly industry work चल रहा है और बहुत सारे गाने lined up है. But if you ask me where I see in future, I would be like teaching kids dancing and help them understand it better.